Hello everyone, this is Emon from SINOMADA. Today we are in HELI factory. As we all know, HELI is a famous brand in logistic area. Today, please follow me to see one of the most hot selling model. Behind me is the Case 2 Series CPCD70. The total length with fork is about 5 meters. The width is about 2 meters. The wheelbase is 2250 millimeter. The minimum turning radius is 3360 millimeter. These figures show how flexible it is. The standard one with 3 meters lifting height and the fork length is 1220 millimeter, but it can be customized as your requirement. Also, you can choose side shifter and the fork adjust here. That will have extra cylinder here. With cylinder, you can adjust 2 forks at the same time, left and right, and adjust the distance between the 2 forks. 4 tiles in front and 2 back makes the machine more stable. About the cabin, if you want AC, it can be an enclosed one. Let's see the engine. It's equipped with a Chinese brand engine, Quanchai, but also Cummins, Isuzu, Kubota, and the Mitsubishi engine can also provide it. Anyway, forklifts have many options. I believe there is one can meet your needs. If you are interested please contact me. I'm Emon from SINOMADA.